Every story has a beginning, and ours begins here at the front door. 'Twas the night before Christmas, a storybook home. This verse greets every guest before they step inside, a reminder that tonight every room holds part of a Christmas Eve tale. So come in and begin the journey towards the night before Christmas. And just like that, the story begins. This space was inspired by the poem "Twas the Night Before Christmas." And here is where the magic unfolds. It's all meant to feel joyful and full of wonder. This tree is filled with our most cherished ornaments. Every single one tells a story. This tree holds generations of Christmases. As we step into the dining room, our story continues. 'Twas the night before Christmas when all through the house. This room is a love letter to Christmases past. Every ornament on this tree dates back to the 1950s and 1960s, when Christmases were simple, magical, and full of wonder. Every shelf, every mug, every figurine in this room carries a memory. Here, time seems to stand still, and the magic never grows old. Not a creature was stirring, not even a mouse. It's quiet here, the kind of quiet that happens the night the magic happens. So let's step into the next chapter of our story. And here, our book is open to one of the most beloved lines. The stockings were hung by the chimney with care, in hopes that St. Nicholas soon would be there. This room is all about that classic, heartwarming anticipation of Christmas night. Hopefully, I was able to capture that childlike feeling of waiting, listening, and hoping to hear St. Nicholas near. Here, I wanted the room to feel playful, almost childlike. It's where imagination takes over, where sweets, music, and memories swirl together, making the house feel alive with whimsy and wonder. Here, where dreams beneath the glow of angels, Christmas magic gathers softly, in the hush of red and gold, in the warmth of old toys, and in the quiet promise that wonder is never far away. Even the old toys seem to shimmer here, as if they remember every Christmas morning they once brought to life.
While visitors and Skinner Plums danced in their heads. Woohoo! I love Skinner Plums!
All around the room, the warmth of Christmas gathers in the tartan, the berries, and every little touch that feels like home. And as the children dream beneath the watchful angels, the story deepens from simple Christmas wonder to something far more heavenly. Here, angels and cherubs drift like whispers, carrying the glow of Christmas heavenward. The cherubs seemed to dance in a shimmer of heavenly magic. Glowing lights and shimmering gold gather around the Nativity, the quiet center of everything this season means. With dreams of sugar plums, we step into a kitchen that feels as sweet as the story itself. A little whimsy, a little wonder, and just enough magic to make you smile. And after that touch of sweetness, our story continues. One soft landing, one scatter of stars, and the story moves right through the room. In this corner, it feels as if the reindeer have slipped right out of the poem to greet us. As the poem calls them by name, the room gently echoes the magic. A glimmer, a sparkle, a tender breath of wonder that makes you feel like a child again. It kind of makes you believe all over again, even for just a moment. And here the story lifts upward, as if we've stepped onto the rooftops where the magic first touches the sky. And the poem rises like a song, light and sparkling, carrying us with it. So up to the housetop the coursers they flew, with the sleigh full of toys, and St. Nicholas too. And then in a twinkling I heard on the roof the prancing and pawing of each little hoof. As I drew in my head and was turning around, down the chimney St. Nicholas came with a bound. His eyes, how they twinkled, his dimples, how merry. His cheeks were like roses, his nose like a cherry. His droll little mouth was drawn up like a bow, and the beard of his chin was as white as the snow. He was chubby and plump, a right jolly old elf, and I laughed when I saw him in spite of myself. I heard him exclaim as he drove out of sight, "Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night." Thanks so much for sharing our Christmas story this year. We really do appreciate it.
From our house to your house, we wish you a very Merry Christmas and a new year full of multitude of blessings. God bless you all.
Bye-bye.
Merry Christmas.